How to leave circle in Life360 app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can leave circle in Life360 application. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, go ahead and open up your Life360 app first, and once you open it up, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So in order to leave your circle, in the top left corner of your screen, you will be finding a gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it, and once you open it up, the settings menu will appear. So the next thing you need to do is go ahead and look out for circle management, which is right on the second option. Go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, you'll be finding a circle details that you've joined. So in order to leave the circle, go ahead and locate the option called leave circle in the very last. Go ahead and tap on it and confirm this message that says, "Are you sure to leave?" So confirm it. Once that is done, you'll be leaving the group and leaving the circle, and that is it. So that is how you leave circle in Life360 app by following up this method, which is super easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.